What is a 3% man, you may ask? A 3% man is confident. He is centered. And he is in control of himself. The man got the knowledge and experience about himself, about the things he does, so he is confident. Without being cocky, arrogant, or prickly, he will bring out himself, the best, to win the competition instead of knocking other people down. The man got a set of beliefs he can always come back to. So when he is knocked off balance, he is centered with those beliefs. So he can always bounce back stronger than ever. The man is in self-control always. Doesn't matter what other people do to him. Even though those people might be the people he loves or respects. What you are looking at, YouTubers, is a 3% pistol by Wilson Combat, the elite professional. This is the 4-inch model, but in a full size frame. Totally elevated by this 3% grip from no one but the proud American made Lok Grips from Door, Michigan. What a great compliment to this American pride, Wilson Combat, based in Bearville, Arkansas. A 3% pistol is highly functional in terms of reliability, accuracy, and the maneuverability. A 3% pistol is pleasing to look at. Make it very hard for you to part ways from it. Look at this beauty. 1911, isn't it the most beautiful pistol design ever? Invented by no one but our proud American, John Browning. Mr. Browning is a Mormon, so I think he got this design from the inspiration from God. Look at this, all made of beauty. Look at the line. Every 1911 company has different characteristics, but for Wilson Combat, it's like a gentleman in business suit, all right? Look at all the lines are smoothed out. Doesn't have the cut here, but it's so smooth. Look at everything. It's all smoothed out. It is like the Mercedes in car. Always, always beautiful to look at. Let's do a safety check. It is very tight. Gonna snap cap to it. Look at that. Very affirmative, but yet easy to operate. I just took this 3% pistol out a couple days ago. I hit my half-size silhouette at 80 yards under a very windy condition, and I ring that steel 3 shots in a row. After that, I just put it back to bag. Nothing else to prove. Remarkable little guy, shorter 4-inch barrel, but on a full frame, sort of like the Glock 19X design, so to speak. And with this thin grip, look at how thin it is. Totally elevate this pistol. But I want to share with you a story. Originally, I bought the grip for this pistol, the Colt XSE, just because the grip come from it, it's very fat. So I was thinking about, okay, it's too fat for me. I need to do something. So I ordered that from Lok Grips. I want to have something thin, and I want something that is different, rare, unique. So I went with the design of 3%. You can choose the color of 3%. You can choose the color of this bogey design pattern, and you can choose the color of the liner here. So I finally got it in a week or so, and I put it back to the Colt. This panel, it works okay. I wish I had ordered the liner in silver tone, but it's okay. Still very beautiful, but on this side, it doesn't work because the MB safety of Colt is very thick. So if I screw the grip on, it will not operate. It will not operate safely. It took either too loose that the panel will move, or too tight, the MB safety won't work. So I have in contact with Lok Grips and their excellent customer service. Try to help me out. But eventually we decided jointly that this grip isn't designed, made for Colt. And they are very nice. They want to give me a full refund. And I told them, it's okay. I'll keep the grip. Because it's so beautifully made, guys. And my plan is to put this side on Colt and have this side on the original grip from Colt. But later on, I got an idea because I was looking at the MB safety of Wilson Combat, and it's so thin. Guys, look at that. It's so thinly made. It's like a piece of paper. But if you look at Colt, it wasn't like that. Okay? Now it's covered, but it's probably double the thickness of Wilson Combat. And don't get me wrong, I think this XSE, everything, none of it is mean part. But talking about the difference, the value of the handmade pistol, hand-fit pistol. So I say, okay, God willing, let me try this on. And I put it on. I was so excited. I pressed hard and operate the safety, see if it worked, even without screw on the thin bushing and the screw. You have to get the thin bushing and screw, okay? And it worked. And the result is nothing but remarkable, stunningly beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. black liner on black pistol. What a cool looking businessman. I mean, the Wilson Combat grip go to coat, which is also beautiful. Both have this cut. That's why, I didn't think about doing it on La Bear because La Bear is don't have this cut here. And guys, be at ease, I will do a comparison of Wilson Combat and La Bear. But today I want to focus on 3% pistol. The Wilson Combat Elite Professional. I have a dilemma, guys, and you tell me what would you do. I can either put it as a safe king, or I can shoot the heck out of it. But of course, we'll lose value. I pick him up in a used transaction because the seller said the grip is too big for him. He got a small hand. So I pick it up. It's not a bargain. It's a Wilson Combat. If this thing is money, the Colt 1911, guys, Wilson Combat is gold, okay? It's gold. But if you shoot it, show some wear and tear, it will depreciate, right? Just like the most exotic car. But if you keep the mileage low, keep the appearance new, it will hold its value. So what would you do? It is so beautiful and pleasing to look at. I put it under my pillow, of course unloaded, when I sleep at night. I have a dedicated bedside gun, but that's how much I love this 3% pistol. Knocking that ringlet steel silhouette, half-size human silhouette, 80 yards away, 3 shot in a row under windy condition. And by the way, the recoil of this is the lightest among all the 1911 I have shot. Remarkable achievement. I shot some 4-inch 45 ACP 1911 before, and I don't like the recoil at all. The trigger is crisp. It's not light, okay, I can tell you that. La Bear probably has lighter trigger than this. Need to put my grip safety on. See, I apply some strength to it. I think it's more than 4 pounds. I want to show you that front end of the barrel. Look at that. Look at that slight cut, huh? Maybe that's the reason that reduced the recoil. I don't know. I'm not an engineering, but Wilson Combat got it right, okay? They got it right. And I look at YouTube. There isn't as much in-depth review on elite professional, so I want to do something about it. But boy, this grip got me so excited that I want to share with you as soon as possible. tubers. That's all strive to be that 3% man. Be confident. Know our shit together. Be centered. For me, it's Jesus Christ. For you, it may be another religion, maybe a set of principles, maybe the father, mother's value passed on from generations. And lastly, but not the least, always be in self-control. What other people do to us is never the excuse of us losing our control. That's it for the day. I will definitely do a comparison of this pistol and Love Bear, and hopefully show you some shooting target of this. All right. Safe shooting. So long, 3% man.